Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to use same Telegram on two different devices. This is actually available. That means you could use the same Telegram account on multiple devices simultaneously. So unlike WhatsApp, what you have to do is here on Telegram, you could actually go ahead and use your login credential. So what you have to do is, first of all, install your Telegram application on your new device. And once you open up your Telegram application, what next you need to do is, the simple way is to go ahead and click the login button. What you need to do is just click on the sign in button. Then you just need to go ahead and enter in the credential. That could either be your email address or a phone number. Usually it's phone number. And also be prompted to enter the password associated with your Telegram account, and simply do it so. And with that being said, you'll have to enter the verification code that will be on your old device, or that you'll receive it onto your Telegram account, and you have to enter that certain code. And once you enter it, so you'll be logged into the same account on completely two different devices. So this is the way it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.